Stop paying for AI video. Today, I'll show you the best free open source text-to-video model you can run yourself. No subscriptions, no watermarks. Creators are excited but anxious. Closed tools are pricey, rate limited, and you lose control. If you felt stuck by paywalls or worried about data privacy, this is for you. It's called Wan 2.1, a state-of-the-art open source model from Alibaba's QN team. It generates cinematic videos from text or images, supports editing, runs on consumer GPUs, and even handles English text inside the video, free. Wan 2.1 was open-sourced with weights and inference code, scoring top results on public leaderboards and drawing huge community adoption. If you need an alternative, HunyuanVideo by Tencent rivals closed models, and LTX-Video is optimized for real-time speed. Install via Hugging Face or the GitHub repo. Choose the 1.3B version for modest GPUs or 14B for best quality. You can also spin it up on cloud GPUs fast. Please like this video, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.